Because we spent a whole day driving on the beach and in the dunes in Robe yesterday, I want to give the car a good wash to get rid of all the salt. Today, the plan is to drive all the way down to Warrnambool, which will be our last stop before the Great Ocean Road, and hopefully see some interesting things along the way. Blue Lake. Wow, look how blue. This is not photoshopped. Climbing up some stairs. I'm already getting out of shape. Come on, Layla. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. There we go. Layla doesn't get out of shape. Another lookout from the lake. Apparently it was an explosive volcanic crater. How was the lake?
It's very blue. They are not lying.
Was it a nice lake?
Yeah, if we can swim, it will be even better. But apparently not. But it's a nice lake.
Where are we going now?
We're going to Warrnambool. But before that, I think the information center there have toilet. Why do you filming me when I ask you to go toilet?
So you mean our next stop is the toilet?
Yes, of course. Before Warrnambool, we always need to go to toilet.
Alright, so let's go to the toilet then. For the last 50k, it's full of these trees. It's just forests and forests of all the same trees. And they all look like they've been planted. We think it's they do tree farming. They plant the trees and then when they get big enough they cut down the trees. That's our theory. We don't do research, so we have no idea what we're talking about. Where we are. There's supposed to be blowholes there, which not really blowholes, but we saw a whale in the distance, splashing out of the water a few times. We saw its tail. It's probably too far away for the GoPro, but we saw a whale. We came here to see some seals. Unfortunately, we didn't expect the way to go see the seals is actually 5.5 kilometer walk. So that's about a 5-hour return, and the worst thing is you can't take dogs. So unfortunately we cannot leave Layla in the car for 5 hours. We're not gonna see seals today. Time to go to the Great Ocean Road. Awesome place, just lots of people. Cold in here. Beautiful beach. If it wasn't for Layla, we would have gone for a swim here. But it's national park, so no dogs allowed. This is very impressive. Going to the other lookout over there. if I can take some better pictures.
After the Great Ocean Road, we made our way to Geelong, which is right next to Melbourne, and stayed at the Eldorado Caravan Park for the night, so we could spend the day in Melbourne today.
We are in Melbourne. Would you like to live here?
Yes, for sometimes. This is our breakfast for today in the Queen Victoria Market in Melbourne. Look at this, it's the mussels. And Ting is going to buy a coffee. It's a famous coffee in Melbourne, Market Lane. Jump already a little bit.
What are we eating there? Mussels. With what?
With white wine and garlic.
And of course, ice latte. Just chilling in a park in Melbourne with a little milk tea on the lake. It's already much better than in the city.
Lake,
Oh,
it's a little pond.
it's a lake.
After spending the day in Melbourne, we made our way to a little town called Corowa, where we found a beautiful free camping spot right next to the river. The day after, we made our way all the way to Sydney.